number 16. 1 hour after X milligram of a particular drug are given to a person, the change in body temperature, T of X in degrees Celsius, is given by a certain function, T of X, and we need to find the sensitivity, T prime, okay, when the dosage is 3 milligrams. So the function is the temperature, T, in terms of X in milligram, is 5x squared over 9 times the quantity 1 minus x over 9 minus 160 over 9. Okay? And x is equal between 0 and 6 milligram. So x in milligrams and T in Celsius. And what we need to do, we need to find T prime at when x equal 3. Okay? So we need to find T prime of 3. The solution will go like this. Let me see, before working this out, if I can simplify this function somewhat. Because I have a product, I can either use the product rule and differentiate the product, or I can multiply it out and instead use the power rule. I choose the latter, so I'll multiply it out and I have 5x squared over 9. I'll write it as 5 over 9x squared minus, here I have 5x squared over 9 times negative x over 9, so it will be negative 5 over 81 x squared times x is x cubed, and then I have the constant 160 over 9. Now I'm going to take the derivative term by term. Okay, I have 3 terms here, so T prime of x, 5 over 9 is simply a coefficient, the derivative of x squared is 2x, negative 5 over 81 is again a coefficient, the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared, and the derivative of 160 over 9 is simply 0. So we have 10 over 9x minus 15 over 9, but I see that 3 and 81 are 3 over 81 is like 1 over 27, so minus 5 over 27 x cubed. And now all I need to do is replace x with a 3 and get
x squared instead of x cubed.
X squared. It says x squared. You don't see too well. There you go. Sorry, it's my awkward sense of humor. And now just plug in 3 and get 10 over 9 times 3 minus 5 over 27 times 9. So we have 10 over 3 minus 5 over 3. Well, this will be 5 over 3. And that will be in Celsius per milligram. Remember, this T prime is dt dx, so the unit will be Celsius per milligram, and the answer, quantitatively speaking, is 5 over 3.